Good afternoon, my name is Kelsey McNevin, and I am currently enrolled in the Medical Billing and Coding program here at Bryant and Stratton College. Medical billing and coding is a high-demand career within the healthcare industry that offers a competitive salary. Working as a medical biller and/or coder is a great way to contribute to the healthcare field, as well as enter into a stable, growing, and well-paid career. Aside from maintaining an excellent GPA, I have gained many skills throughout my educational career at Bryant and Stratton. I am confident with ICD-10, CPT, HCPCS, medical terminology, insurance terminology, HIPAA and patient confidentiality, data entry, data management, and electronic health records. I am also proficient with processing accounts for coding and abstracting of patient encounters, including diagnostic and procedural information, significant reportable elements, and complications. This semester, we have started to create our professional MyCred portfolios. MyCred portfolios are electronic credential and achievement presentation portfolios designed to store and present an individual's educational, professional, and experiential accomplishments. These portfolios consist of a biography and/or summary, basic contact information such as address, phone number, and email, educational backgrounds, goals, both personal and professional, your resume, and cover letter. Included in my MyCred portfolio are portfolio projects that demonstrate my attainment of one or more program and/or institutional outcomes. As you can see here, I have a total of 3 portfolio projects attached to my MyCred portfolio. My ICD Procedural Coding ICD-10 PCS PowerPoint, my Coding Systems PowerPoint, and my Summative Assessment, all of which supports my knowledge of competency to assemble, process, maintain, store, abstract, analyze, index, and retrieve health information data. This first project here, my ICD-10 Procedural Coding ICD-10 PCS PowerPoint, we were asked to use our knowledge from previous lectures, textbooks, and weekly assignments to create a presentation that would train employees on ICD procedural coding. Within this assignment, I define ICD-10 PCS, its purpose, and what it is used for. I explain and elaborate on the structure of ICD-10 PCS codes, how to create such codes, and when they should and should not be used. Therefore, this assignment is a good example and shows my knowledge and competency of assembling, processing, maintaining, and analyzing health information data. My second assignment here, my Coding Systems PowerPoint. With this project, we were asked to reflect on coding systems, more specifically CPT and ICD coding. Within this assignment, I defined medical coding, CPT coding, the structure and design of CPT, ICD coding, the differences between CPT and ICD coding, guidelines and rules to follow while using and creating such codes, while also providing scenarios and examples of such. All of which supports my knowledge of competency to assemble, process, maintain, store, abstract, analyze, index, and retrieve health information data. And lastly, my third project, my Summative Assessment. With this assignment, we were asked to review patient case studies and answer short answer questions based on the information provided. This required you to review medical records, patient labs, diagnostic test results, and medication lists while differentiating the presenting signs and symptoms for multiple diseases and conditions. This assignment required that I process and analyze health information data. All of these assignments have helped me to gain both knowledge and skills that will be beneficial to both my educational career and success within the workplace.